Hi friends, today I'm going to explain you Sparklines. So of course the Sparklines are available in insert and here there is a Sparklines field is there. So in the Sparklines we have three kind of categories are there: line, column, win or loss. So these are nothing but the trending view. We can see the trend. So it is very easy. So I'm going with the first one. I'm going with the line. Okay, so select this line. Okay, what it is asking: data range. So we need to give the spark line in the cell. So we have to select this range and coming to location range, just select here. Okay, now enter. Okay, now select this as and control D. Now see, if we want to know, if you want to change the color coding, if you want to know the for the negative values, it should be red, and if you want to highlight the high points with the green color, you can select this one. So you can select by using the marker color. Okay, and yeah, I want to make the this weight. I want to increase the weight of this part line. So just go to weight and select this one. So you see, so in the points the negative and the high point is being highlighting here. So this is the spark line. In the similar way, we have sorry, in the similar way we have column. So select this one, select the date range, select the location is here, and okay, and this is enter. So which is showing in the column graphs. Okay, yeah, of course we can give the color coding for these also. So you can in the similar way you can update the negative points with some color and the highlighted points with some color, low points with some other color. In a similar way, in the same similar way, win or loss. So go to win or loss, select the date range, select the point, sorry, point here, and enter. See this one. So for high points is going to be this one, and the negative values should be in red. Okay, so high points are 4.53 is the higher value, so it is reflecting in the green color. 4.48 is the higher value in this array, so it is reflecting as a green. So this is Sparklines. Okay, for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.